Welcome to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into the Braun Epilator Silk-épil 9 9030, a versatile hair removal device that's been making waves in the beauty world. It's designed for both women and men and promises smooth, salon-like skin at home. Let's break down what this epilator can really do and how it stacks up in the world of hair removal. The Braun Silk-épil 9 9030 comes packed with features designed to give you long-lasting smoothness. This epilator claims to remove hair as short as 4x shorter than what traditional waxing can handle, which is an impressive feat. It's equipped with a fully flexible head, allowing it to adapt to every curve of your body, including tricky areas like your knees and underarms. You get up to 4 weeks of smooth skin with just one epilation session. In the box, you'll find the epilator, a body exfoliation brush to soften and smooth your skin, and a beauty kit that includes a massaging pad. The device is cordless, rechargeable, and 100% waterproof, so you can use it in the bath or shower for added convenience. When it comes to real-world use, the Silk-épil 9 doesn't disappoint. It's easy to handle and adapts to your body's curves, making hair removal feel more efficient. The flexible head is a standout feature. Epilating areas like your knees or underarms becomes much more comfortable with it. I tried it both dry and in the shower, and I was surprised by how much smoother and more comfortable it was to use in water. The anti-slip grip provides excellent control even when the device is wet, which is key for safety and precision. However, while it's great at removing hair, it does take a little getting used to, especially for those new to epilators. It's not entirely pain-free, but the more you use it, the more manageable it becomes. As with any product, there are a few pros and cons to consider. On the positive side, the flexibility of the head is a major win, making it much easier to remove hair from difficult areas. The waterproof feature is also a big plus, as it allows for use in both dry and wet environments, and it delivers long-lasting smoothness. Definitely a game changer for those who dislike the frequent upkeep of shaving. However, on the flip side, epilating can be uncomfortable, especially the first time. It's not pain-free, and the process can take a bit longer compared to traditional shaving. Additionally, while it's cordless and rechargeable, it can take a few hours to fully charge, which might be a downside for those in a hurry. When we talk about value for money, the Braun Silk-épil 9 sits at a higher price point, especially compared to manual razors or cheaper epilators. However, considering the long-lasting results and the fact that it comes with multiple attached like the exfoliation brush and massaging pad, it does offer solid value in the world of hair removal devices. The key here is the convenience of salon-like results at home without the need for regular salon visits. If we compare it to other epilators on the market, the Silk-épil 9 offers superior performance with its flexible head and waterproof design, setting it apart from many other devices. It competes well with other top-end epilators, but its price is a bit steeper. Some competitors may have similar features, but you may not find the same quality in the flexibility and water-friendly nature of the Silk-épil 9. In terms of build quality, the device feels sturdy, well-made, and built to last. Braun is known for its high-quality products, and the Silk-épil 9 is no exception. The materials feel premium, and it doesn't feel like it will fall apart after a few uses. The design is sleek, and the device's performance doesn't disappoint either. As for customer support, I didn't need to reach out for assistance, but Braun has a strong reputation for offering reliable customer service. The company offers a 2-year warranty on the device, which gives peace of mind for those concerned about potential issues. At the end of the day, the Braun Silk-épil 9 9030 delivers what it promises: long-lasting hair removal, smooth skin, and an overall great experience with a few small trade-offs. If you're someone who's ready to invest in a high-quality, efficient, and water-friendly hair removal device, this could be the one for you. But if you're on a budget or new to epilators, you might want to consider a less expensive option before committing to this one. If this review helped you make a decision, please hit like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other beauty enthusiasts can find this video too. Thank you so much for watching today's review of the Braun Epilator Silk-épil 9 9030 here on Beautyistic. If you've already tried this device, Let me know your experience in the comments below. And if you're thinking about purchasing it, don't forget the link is in the description. Thanks again for tuning in, and until next time, smooth skin, happy life with Beautyistic.